Welcome to Drawlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable parental controls on Google Play Store in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Play Store. After open the Play Store, just tap on this profile icon, then go to settings option, and here you can find the option which is family. Then just tap on this arrow icon, then tap on parental controls. At first just enable this option from here and create a PIN number, then tap on OK. Then confirm your PIN again, then tap on OK again to confirm it, and it's enabled successfully. Now set a content restrictions. Just select any apps and games. From here select age. You can choose 3+, 7+, 12 years plus, 16+, and 18+. If I select 12+, then just tap on save, and it's done. Now your baby cannot download 12+ app in your phone. And that is how you can enable parental controls on Google Play Store in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.